Welcome to UMusic Hotel Madrid, a truly exceptional five-star experience in the heart of Spain's vibrant capital. Nestled in Madrid's city center, you're just moments from iconic landmarks like Plaza Mayor and Puerta del Sol. The rich culture of the Prado Museum and the energy of Grand Via are also less than a kilometer away. Step inside to discover comfortable accommodations, each offering air conditioning and private balconies. Rooms are thoughtfully appointed with minibars, plush bathrobes, and city or pool views for your comfort. Indulge in the serene saltwater swimming pool, unwind on the sun terrace, or energize at the fitness center. The hotel features 3 restaurants, serving Spanish, local, and international cuisines in a romantic setting. Enjoy a very good breakfast, relax at the bar, or explore the unique culture classes offered here. With exceptional facilities and a perfect location, your unforgettable Madrid escape begins at UMusic Hotel.